Hello everyone, and welcome to Tobelmann Creation. Today we're doing this glass top patio table, and we're using reds. I already mixed up my stone coat art coat epoxy. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. I mixed it for 2 minutes and separated it in cups. We will start with this Allumidust Interference Red. And to that, we will add some Torginol red glitter. Let me stir this up. And this is what we got. Next, I'll use Stone Coat's dark red metallic powder. Now I'm using Allumilte red translucent dye. Allumilte white opaque dye. And we'll also use Rust-Oleum gloss white oil-based paint. That's a good one for making cells. I'm going to give it one last cleaning with some 91% isopropyl alcohol. And now to start, I put a drop of white in the middle, just to mark it for my reference point. I'll first pour on the interference red with glitter. I'll torch this to pop the bubbles and make it easier to spread around. I'll start spreading this with my craft stick. And now I'll spread it with my hand to cover the whole table. I'll torch it again to pop bubbles and to help level the epoxy. Now I'll pour on the dark red metallics. And now some white Rust-Oleum. And now I'll pour on the rest of the dark red metallics. Time for some red translucent. And finally, the Allumilte white dye. Now I'm going to swipe and spread this with my putty knife. I'm not putting any pressure on the putty knife. I'm just letting it rest on the epoxy and drag it. I'll swipe it from the outside in. I'll torch it again to remove bubbles and level the epoxy. It looks pretty cool, but I'm not done yet. Now it's time for the apple red gloss spray paint, followed by bright silver metallics in 91% isopropyl alcohol. And now I'll spray it with some plain alcohol, just a fine mist. And then some big drops out of my hand. Now I'll let this sit and let the magic happen.